One on there is broken right now. Optional hole, so make it tighter or looser. We'll test her and see what she does. Alright, it's a nice sunny day. Got the Helwig sway bar in. Get that in the truck. And maybe we'll do a little review. I've heard good things about it. We'll see how it does. I'm not sure because usually people use it more for street kind of stuff, but let's see. Maybe it helps off-road too. I don't know. One on there is broken right now. It's snapped right here. Good boy, Jackson. It's rotten. Maybe a both. Not sure if it's cheap compared to the little roll. It's pretty heavy. It's a 10 and an 18. First thing I'll take off your sway bar links, and then we'll take off the sway bar itself. I was gonna use the pliers there to hold the wrench, but didn't have to. This is on there pretty good though. Got an optional hole, so make it tighter or looser. So we'll get that on there now. So I think I'm gonna go with the middle setting, and if I find I want it tighter or looser, I can adjust it from there. Let me get some new links back here now. You don't want to drop this and knock yourself in the face for that. Put one over there now.
bebe. Todo el mundo, everybody, hoy se bebe. Seguimos acá hasta que la vibra se...
You told someone off, eh, man? Yeah, you were telling them, eh? Good girl, man. Yeah, good doggy. Thinking earlier, Big Mini's gotta be like 15 now. Does pretty good for an old doggy.
Entregue, escúchate este ritmo, pa' que te pegue.
Se debe, por ahí pa' abajo, centro, dentro, baby, hoy se bebe. Toda la va, gira y se, mami, voy se breve. Torquéate bien, ponte atrás si te atreves. Más torquéate bien, más torquéate bien, más torquéate bien, más torquéate bien.
There we go. We'll test her and see how she does. Alright, so it's probably been a month with the Helwig sway bar on there. And definitely feels a lot better. I don't notice near as much roll on the highway passing cars, stuff like that. And as far as off-road, it definitely helps with the like washboard sort of effects, staying sand, hopping, stuff like that. I have core arms, lower arms on it. They helped a lot with that, but this helps a bit more. Even makes it just a little bit more smooth kind of thing. Yeah, definitely happy with it. Yeah, I think that's pretty all it. Yeah, if you're interested in this, it's a Helwig sway bar for a 5th gen Ram. I think they're the same actually for the older models. Thanks for watching.